Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the Visa gift card is active and has enough balance for any verification charge. Call the issuer if needed. Once done, make sure your iPhone is signed into your Apple ID and iOS is current because Wallet relies on system services. Next, locate the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing ZIP. Keep them handy. Now open Settings or Wallet to begin adding a payment method. You're ready for the first input step. You'll open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon, then choose to add a card manually if the camera doesn't capture the Visa gift card correctly. Enter the card number, expiration, CVV, and billing ZIP exactly as printed. Autofill sometimes inserts a billing address mismatch. After you accept Apple's terms, Wallet will attempt verification, typically a small authorization hold or a verification code sent by the card issuer. If a charge appears, it's usually temporary. Wait for confirmation before continuing. You'll finish by completing the issuer's verification step. Enter any code they text, approve the authentication call, or wait for the small authorization to clear. Once verified, the card will appear as ready in Wallet. Try a low-value tap or in-app purchase to confirm it works. If the card is declined, double-check the billing ZIP and the card's balance, then call the issuer for mobile wallet support. One tip: if verification fails repeatedly, remove the card and re-add it after confirming activation details with the issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.